there, robust in the whole universe. Hope to this fine nourishment brings follow the more experience. And today we're gonna communicate with you about robust clustering algorithms. What are they? They are specific algorithms of clustering. They do grouping and subsetting some main sets and data sets that you have, and then they are powerful to the outliers, to the deviated data, to the anomalies, to the trends. It could be also to the trends, but actually it is all about talk of the noise and also some of the anomalies and something with not really positive connotation, and it is robust to these points that are appearing here. Yes, I mentioned that you have points here. Yes, it is maybe numbers 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, and etc. And here is 1 point of 1 million. And actually, if we will count some of the aggregation functions that we have, for example, it could be our mean or median. Actually, median will be more robust, but if we will count mean it is actually average of it, then we will count all the numbers and then divide it by the number of numbers. And then it will be really kind of, Jesus Christ, our mean number is so far away from the majority of the numbers that we have, and it is kind of not really nice. And robust clustering, it is when we use specific measurements such as median, for example, and we can measure that median of these numbers will be 3 or 4, and actually this 1 million will not kind of affect our main data set, main subset of data set that we have. And actually it is all about robust clustering. Robust clustering, it is when we are strong and powerful to the outlying data that we have. We have inliers and we have outliers. Outliers, it is something like data that is far away from the main distribution. I imagine the Gaussian Laplacian distribution of this curve. Yes, we have bell curve, and then something that lies here, it is actually our outliers. They could be 3 sigma plus, 4 sigma plus, 5 sigma plus, where sigma stands for standard deviation, and actually it could be kind of far away. Jesus Christ, so far away from the main distribution, from the mean, from the this expectancy number of the median, of the mean, I mean. Of the mean, I mean. Okay, average. Average, it is the synonym of mean. Okay, and here it is. How do robust clustering works? How does it work? How does it work? Yes, it will be correct question in terms of the grammar. Hello, everybody. Yeah, and okay, and here it is. We have specific clustering. First of all, we do clustering. Then we need to find out what's the kind of where is deviated data, and we need to do the task of outlier detection. By the way, if you want to check out the video about something like outlier detection, then you can find it on my channel. It will be interesting to watch. Okay, and outlier detection task need to solve. We can use different types of metrics: Z-score, and also IQR, and DADA, and ONE, and Kitsune network, and isolation forest, and others. 3 sigma rule we can use to detect outliers. So we need to find out where are the outliers actually lie. And then robust clustering, it will be it is all about kind of decreasing the influence of this point, or maybe deleting this point, or changing the value of this point to this point. And actually we can use different types of kind of aggregation functions for it. For example, Winsorized mean and trimmed mean. Trimmed mean, it is when we use a data set, then we cut, and then we count. First of all, we have the data set, then we are doing specific tasks, such as we are ordering it from 0 to hero, from the smallest to the biggest, and then we are cutting a specific k% quantile from it. K% quantile, kind of, we will cut, for example, 5% from here, 5% from here, and actually it will, and then we will count our mean or median or average number function. Yes, aggregation function. Okay, everything is fine. Also, Winsorized mean, it is when we take our data set, then we kind of not cut, but kind of mark here, and then we change all the biggest numbers and all the smallest numbers of k% quantile to the borderline of this and borderline of this, kind of. You can watch it in Russian if you want, and you will understand. Winsorized mean. Actually, you can find it in Russian too, and in English. Sometimes I was recording it, but actually I talked about it a lot. Winsorized mean, super easy. If you understand how trimmed mean works, then you understand how it works too. It's kind of replacing. We have different approaches and tactics and strategies to work with outliers. It is our deleting, also replacing, also influence weakening by using specific rating or ranking of the kind of influence of this point to the aggregation function, and also hybrid approaches when we use this and that, etc. At the same time, and this in the same time. Okay, it is my kind of my approach, how I roll in this field. Actually, I wrote one scientific paper about it, by the way. Oh yes, okay. So, not showing off, but kind of showing competency of it. Okay, so while our robust clustering, it is when we do clustering and then we are deleting or replacing some values of it, or maybe influence weakening of it when we are doing specific aggregation functions. So we have different types of clustering algorithms, and some of them some of them robust. About clustering algorithms, we have clustering, kind of classic clustering algorithms. They are k-means, k-means plus, k-means sharp, robust k-means plus, dbscan, hdbscan, q, curt, chameleon, clarans, fast clarans, fast pm, fast pm1, fast pm2, faster pm, eager pm, dmvcj, dmvssc, dmvcvae, rcc, rcdr, cdr-sgd, drc, dec, cor, homm clustering, sting, wave cluster, cobweb, sting, grid-based clustering, density-based clustering, model-based clustering, EM expectation maximization, GMM Gaussian mixture models, depict, also we have DEPICT clustering algorithm, fuzzy c-means, k-prototypes, k-modes, and other algorithms such as Agnes and Diana and etc. we can use. And actually about one of the easiest way to understand robust clustering, we can use mean number it is average number, or we can use median is the center of our kind of show. We have numbers and the center will be this, and mean number, it is all about kind of when we have we counting all the sum of it divided by the number of all the objects that we have. And actually it is all about mean number and median number. It is different types of things that we can count, and median, it will be more robust. We can use also MAD, median of absolute deviation thing. And actually it will be too for outlier detection, it could be used, and actually we can use it. So if we do a robust clustering, it is all about clustering, then outlier detection, and then we do kind of influence weakening or replacing values, or maybe deleting our data of this to count our aggregation functions. So thank you a lot for watching this video. Right now you know more about robust clustering. Leave in the comment section below what do you think about it, and what do you want to watch in the next videos. Recommend in the comment section below, and see you next time. You're a nice guy or gal, and see ya. Improve self daily. Bye. You're a nice guy or gal. Remember about it, and also go forward, strive forward. Everything depends only on you. Everything will be amazing. See ya. Bye.